Hi, my name is Victor. My wife Sylvis and I have been part of Legacy Church for the last 8 months. We moved here from India due to my wife's work, and it's been a great time of prayer and worship in Legacy Church. Prayer to me is a two-way communication in building my relationship with Jesus. It's a moment where I express my desires, my fear, my frustration, my love to a person who never judges me and the person who loves me just the way I am. Prayer with fasting for me is like taking your wife or a girlfriend on a date. It's like you're taking your time off from everything you're doing, from everything you're busy with, for everything which is important to you, and setting aside your time for God. Just letting Him know that you want to know Him, you want to build a relationship with Him, you want to have that intimacy with Him. And that's where God reveals Himself to you and try to express His love to you. 8 months back, when I came to prayer and fasting, it was a hard day in August. Like, I just walked in from Shops at Legacy just to have some time with God. And yeah, it's a moment where I expressed all my fear, all my anxiety, all my frustration to God. And I was so much overwhelmed by His love on that day, and I just went back home saying, feeling that God is in control of everything we are going through and everything He has for us. And it so happened on the next day we found out that my wife is pregnant, and it was one of the greatest moments in our life, and it's all because what God reveals to us during this prayer and worship time.